In front of me is Motorola Edge 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called About Phone. Now select device name and finally type in whatever you want to, like Sunny. Once you finish, hit OK and make sure to tap on OK in second pop-up about visibility. So when I do that, name of my smartphone has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!